Our mission at Mix One is to create the highest quality, all-natural products to benefit your health, your well-being, and your optimum performance through truly functional nutrition. That's the most important distinction about Mix One, truly functional nutrition. Mix One has two guiding principles. Number one, highest quality ingredients. It all comes down to those premium ingredients. 15 grams of whey protein isolate, 3 servings of fruits and vegetables coming through antioxidants, 3 grams of soluble fiber, and healthy fat coming through olive oil. No lactose, no casein, no soy, no gluten. It's completely allergen-free. Number two, efficacious levels, which simply means giving your body what it needs at the levels that's going to really truly give you the benefit you're looking for. We look at a lot of companies out there, they have this phenomenal sounding word choice. You look behind their curtain, what kind of levels are they using of those great sounding ingredients? The beautiful thing about this product is going to be a sustained, balanced energy for up to 4 full hours. You look at your plate, you're going to do a roll call. Protein, here. Clean carbohydrates, here. Healthy fat, healthy fiber, antioxidants. We're not here to say, you know what, in lieu of your kale and broccoli, have a Mix One. All we're simply saying is that life happens fast. You have great intentions. And when you can't be home at a restaurant getting the balanced nutrition you're looking for, Mix One is going to deliver high quality, balanced, functional nutrition on the fly. It's that breakfast on the go. It's before workout, post workout. It's there for you when you want to make good in your good intentions. It'll help you feel good all day long.